Court has directed that as far as the mobile hoardings which are parked on the highways and the roads and adjoining the roads, the traffic police should come out with some clean procedure or steps which they can take. So the matter is kept on Friday now. The traffic police is supposed to inform the court as to what action they will take to remove those hoardings which are parked either on some sort of a cart or some sort of a trolley abutting the highway or adjacent to the highway. So that is one new issue which has been cropped up by the amicus curiae.
Poles.
As far as the hoardings or the signages which are there on the electrical pole are concerned, the court has also issued a notice to the contractor who has been allowed this work by the electricity department. Main particularly about he having not taken permission from all the authorities before installing these advertisements or hoardings on the electrical poles and other infrastructure of the electricity department.